Are you curious about prediction markets and how they're revolutionizing the way we forecast real-world events? In this video, we'll break down Polymarket, the world's largest decentralized prediction market, and show you exactly how it works. Whether you're completely new to crypto or just exploring new platforms, this beginner-friendly guide has you covered. Let's dive in. What is Polymarket? Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market platform where users can trade on the outcomes of real-world events. Think of it as a marketplace where you can buy and sell shares based on whether you think something will happen or not. From political elections and sports outcomes to cryptocurrency trends and global news, Polymarket lets you put your predictions to the test with real money on the line. Unlike traditional betting platforms where you bet against the house, on Polymarket, you're trading directly with other users. The platform operates on blockchain technology, specifically using the Polygon network, which ensures all transactions are transparent, secure, and decentralized. Here's the core concept. Every market on Polymarket is structured as a simple yes or no question. For example, what will be the price of Bitcoin by the end of 2025? Or, who will win the next New York mayoral election? For each question, there are two types of shares you can buy: yes shares and no shares. These shares are always priced between $0 and $1, and the two prices always add up to $1. Here's why that matters. The price of each share represents the market's collective probability that the event will occur. Let's say yes shares are trading at 70 cents. This means the market believes there's a 70% chance the event will happen. No shares would then be trading at 30 cents, representing a 30% chance it won't happen. These prices aren't set by Polymarket. They're determined entirely by supply and demand from users like you buying and selling. So, how trading works on Polymarket. All trading on Polymarket uses USDC, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, so you avoid crypto volatility. 1 USDC always equals $1. Take the New York City mayoral election market as an example. Zoran Mamdani's yes shares are currently trading at 95.6 cents, while his no shares are at 4.5 cents. The two always add up to $1. If you believe Mamdani will win, you buy 100 yes shares at 95.6 cents each, spending $95.60 total. If Mamdani wins and you're correct, each yes share redeems for $1, giving you $100, a $4 profit. But if he doesn't win, your yes shares become worthless, and you lose the $96 investment. Meanwhile, no shareholders who bought at 4 cents would profit $96 per 100 shares. Alternatively, look at Andrew Cuomo trading at 4 cents yes and 96.2 cents no. Buy 100 yes shares for just $4. If Cuomo pulls off an upset win, you'd get $100, a $96 profit on a $4 bet. That's the power of backing underdog predictions. What makes Polymarket great is flexibility. You don't wait for resolution. Sell shares anytime. Getting started on Polymarket is straightforward. There's no lengthy sign-up process or identity verification required. Just fund your account or simply connect your crypto wallet, and you're ready to go. Next, you'll need to fund your account. You can deposit crypto assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, add USDC stablecoin directly, or use traditional payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal. Once your deposit has been processed, it'll automatically be added to your Polymarket account, and you can start trading immediately. The platform interface is clean and intuitive. Markets are organized by categories like politics, sports, crypto, and more, making it easy to find events you're interested in. Each market displays the current probabilities, trading volume, and resolution criteria, so you know exactly what you're betting on. Now let's talk about how the markets are resolved. One of the most important aspects of Polymarket is how it determines outcomes. Each market has clear resolution criteria and trusted sources defined up front. These might be official election results, reputable news outlets like the New York Times or Wall Street Journal, or verified data providers. When an event concludes, the outcome is determined using UMA's optimistic oracle system. Here's how it works. Anyone can propose a resolution by posting a bond of $750 in USDC. There's then a 2-hour challenge period where other users can dispute the proposed outcome if they believe it's incorrect. If no one disputes it, the resolution is automatically accepted. The proposer receives their bond back plus a small reward, typically $5, and winning shares are paid out at $1 each. If there is a dispute, both parties stake their bonds, and the matter is escalated to UMA token holders, who vote on the correct outcome within a few days, with the winning side receiving a portion of the losing bond. If you're wondering if there are any fees or other costs associated with trading on Polymarket, here's the great news. Polymarket charges no trading fees, no deposit fees, and no withdrawal fees, making it far more cost-effective than traditional betting platforms that typically take a cut of every transaction. However, there are a few costs to understand. When you trade, you'll pay the bid-ask spread, the difference between buying and selling prices, which goes to liquidity providers who keep markets active, not to Polymarket. The only other costs are minimal blockchain gas fees on Polygon when depositing or withdrawing funds, usually just a few cents. Third-party services like payment processors or exchanges may charge their own fees, but Polymarket itself takes nothing. Here's a bonus. Polymarket actually pays you to provide liquidity. By placing limit orders close to the market price, You can earn daily rewards, automatically deposited to your wallet at midnight UTC. The better positioned your orders, the more you earn, with rewards starting at a minimum payout of $1. Polymarket has no trading size limits, so you can trade any amount, though large orders may impact prices if there isn't enough liquidity in the order book. Always check the order book depth before placing large trades to understand available liquidity. So why use Polymarket? There are 3 game-changing advantages. First, it's completely decentralized and transparent. Every transaction lives on the blockchain, eliminating hidden manipulation. Your funds stay in your wallet at all times. Polymarket never touches your money. Second, you're trading against other users, not a rigged house. Exit your position anytime before resolution. Lock in profits when odds shift your way, or cut losses if the market moves against you. Total flexibility. Third, and most impressive, Polymarket's accuracy is proven. Recent research shows over 94% accuracy in predicting events, with 95.2% precision across thousands of resolved markets. Why? Because traders have real money on the line. They research deeply and predict carefully. This collective intelligence consistently outperforms traditional polls and expert predictions. The verdict: Polymarket transforms predictions into a transparent, accurate, and flexible marketplace where you control your funds, trade freely, and tap into crowd wisdom that beats traditional forecasting. Whether you're predicting elections, sports, or crypto trends, Polymarket gives you the tools to put your insights to work and potentially profit from being right.